Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best dentist leads. So let's get started. So first, we're going to go to San Francisco. We're picking San Francisco today because very affluent population. They have a lot of money to spend on dental services. Industries, we're looking at dentists. With our sanity check, we get lots of great options. Next, lock that in. We are looking for owners and founders and directors and executives. We are targeting one owner, but in case they have a C-suite title, we'll cover for this case. Filters, first thing we're going to do is Google reviews, set this between a 3 and a 5. That's just like, it's kind of like your quality insurance filter, as you want to work with you want to work with people who are respected by their customers and clients, and the benefit of this to you is that they're just going to be easier to work with and more collaborative. So lock that in. We also want to look at their Google Maps search position. I usually like to set it between a 6 and a 15. Anything higher than a 15, they don't care about SEO. Anything lower than a 6, they probably are already working with marketers, so they'll be like a bit more rigid when collaborating. So 6 to 15 is kind of your ideal spot to like really form great partnerships. Um, and finally, we're gonna go on to deliver, reset. Just to point out a couple great marketing metrics for you. Your Google stuff is really great. GMB claimed is kind of a really good metrics, because if they're in between 6 and 15 but their business isn't claimed, um, then it's like an easy problem for you to be the solution, and it will just help you sell it better. We're going to ignore direct dials. We're already getting direct email, and it will double the cost of our leads. We're going to put in our company social media profiles. This is great when determining like what they need help marketing wise. Like if they have a great social media but bad SEO, great social media but ranked 15, then you can create like a service, a marketing package to help them increase their SEO. Maybe like taking away some of their marketing budget from their, or reallocating some of their marketing budget from the social media stuff. Revenue headcount did establish, really great for determining like how long, like longevity of a partnership and a business relationship. Also good for taking your 100 good leads down to 20 great leads. Ad pixels are really insightful. Just shows if they are willing to work with marketers. Uh, Google Analytics, e-commerce, WordPress, page speed, all great technology filters. If they have a slow page speed, another thing that you can sort of include in the marketing package as like, here, I found this problem, I can be your solution. And then the SEO, or like the search term, location, and position metrics are just really insightful. So next to lock these in, make sure to give it a title so your contacts are acquired. I always save a draft in case I want to stop it to change something. I'm not starting from scratch. But with that being said, I'm going to launch this. As you can see, dentist in San Francisco, we're allocating, which means that it's in our team's hands and it should be ready for you in about 24 hours. So yeah, that's how you find the best dentist leads using Coldlytics. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.